It consists of one ammonia molecule, one nitrogen and three hydrogen atoms. Ammonia is a toxic substance for living things. Attention should be paid when using it. So, what is ammonia? How is it used? Ammonia acid or base? Ammonia is a colorless, pungent and unpleasant odor gas compound consisting of nitrogen atom and hydrogen atom with formula NH3. Although it does not contain O ions, it shows weak base properties in water. It consists of one ammonia molecule, one nitrogen and three hydrogen atoms. The structure of ammonia YABI ammoniac. Ammonia is a covalent bonded, non-metal plus non-metal compound. Because its molecules are polar, they are highly soluble in water. Ammonia molecules form a weak hydrogen bond with water molecules, as well as with each other decidedly. It is therefore water-soluble. In the compound he made sp3 hybridization. Since it has a pair of electrons that do not bond, the shape of the molecule is a triangular pyramid, so it is a polar molecule. The latent heat of gasification is very high, so it is also used as a refrigerant in industrial plants. How should ammonia be used? Ammonia is used in the first stage of synthesis of substances such as fertilizers, medicines, dyes, perfumes. Ammonia is a toxic substance for living things. Attention should be paid when using it. Substances sold on the market under the name ammonia, ammonium hydroxide, an aqueous solution of ammonia. What is ammonia? What does it do? Where is ammonia used? What are the harms? An ammonia molecule consists of a combination of three hydrogen atoms and one nitrogen atom. Because it is highly toxic to living things, attention should be paid to its use. Ammonia, which has an unpleasant smell, is a chemical that can make people very uncomfortable. So, what is ammonia? What does it do? Where is ammonia used? What are the harms? Here are the details. What is ammonia? What does it do? Where is ammonia used? What are the harms? The history of the name ammonia dates back to ancient Egypt. Ammonium chloride in the form of whitish crystals, resembling table salt, accumulates on the ceiling and wall of the temple from the gases released from the camel turtleneck, which was used for heating the temple of Ammon. At that time, this structure was called the salt of ammonia. What is ammonia? What does it do? The chemical formula of ammonia is NH3. It has a covalent bond structure, that is, it was formed by the combination of two nonmetals. Because its molecular structure is polar, it dissolves in water at high rates. Although it does not carry the O ion in its content, it shows the light base property in water.